National Hurricane Center is warning of historic life-threatening flash flooding across the region. Potentially record-setting rains and hurricane-force winds aren't the only concerns in Biloxi, Mississippi. The city also faces the threat of a 4-foot storm surge that could inundate low-lying areas.
Thankfully, it appears that many people heeded this voluntary evacuation.
Dauphin Island, Alabama emptied out as Sally got closer to the coast.
We can't do anything about it. We can't get out.
By Tuesday evening, it was already too late for anyone in the storm's path. They're now hunkering down for what's shaping up to be a long and stormy night.
And it is going to be a stormy night as the center of Sally is just about 65 miles south-southeast of Mobile, Alabama. You can see the inundation of rain along the northern Gulf Coast there from southern Alabama into the western part of the Florida Panhandle out toward Pensacola. When we look at our velocity scans, we can see hurricane force winds now battering the coastline. And because the storm is only moving at roughly 2 miles per hour, it is going to continue to bring that onshore wind flow, increasing that storm surge potential, plus dropping a ton of rain, especially right there near the coast between Mobile, Alabama and Panama City. Landfall is expected late tonight, early tomorrow morning as a Category 1 hurricane with winds of about 90 miles per hour, wind gusts higher than that likely. Then it's going to start to move to the north-northeast as a tropical storm as we get toward Wednesday night, and then steadily pushing into Georgia and out toward the Carolinas. Take a look at these rain totals. These are estimates. We're talking 15 to 20 inches near Pensacola with some isolated amounts as much as 30 inches of rain. That's going to create life-threatening flash flooding. 10 to 15 inches as far inland as Montgomery, Alabama, and then even up to about 10 inches of rain as far north as Atlanta, Georgia. And you can see some of those higher rainfall totals even sneaking into north central South Carolina and North Carolina. Big picture view, you can see how large this storm system is. A lot going on down there along the northern Gulf as we are looking at Sally slowly moving onshore. Closer to home, we are quiet. We had a clear sky out there tonight, but it was hazy because of that wildfire smoke. This is smoke that has been cast from those fires out in California, and you can see the sunset there with that hazy sky creating that vibrant sunset. That photo from Mike, thank you sending that to me on my email, and then Suzanne sending this photo in from Sydney, and you can see also those yellows, those oranges, and those reds as all of the blues, greens, and purples get scattered away by those dust particles. Here's a look at that wildfire smoke plume. That's where you have the haziness on that satellite imagery from the National Weather Service and NOAA. There's that Hurricane Sally on that picture as well. What's happening is we have that jet stream that continues to grab those dust particles and push them all the way across the country. We'll see a little bit of a dip in that jet stream by the end of the week, so we should see some of that clearing of the sky cover as we get toward Friday into Saturday. For tonight, we are quiet, 50 degrees. Some spots outside of the city will dip into the upper 40s, so a sweatshirt perhaps to start your day tomorrow. We will rise to about 80 degrees or so for an afternoon high, with a little bit more in the way of cloud cover trying to sneak in late day into Wednesday night, but we should stay dry throughout the day Wednesday. Here's 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. We have that mostly sunny to partly cloudy sky. We stay that way through 11 o'clock tomorrow night. Then a cold front pushes in for Thursday, and that will bring us a few spotty showers. The winds will pick up a bit, and temperatures will be dropping. We'll see highs tomorrow near 80 degrees, but by Thursday they're back into the 70s, and then those overnight lows fall into the 40s with highs in the 60s for Friday and Saturday. It'll be nice, though. We'll have plenty of sunshine through the weekend into early next week. Meteorologist Kirsty Santini and Jesse Mag are up with you tomorrow morning, and they will have the latest on what's happening with Hurricane Sally.
Thanks, McCall. While fires rage across the west, Arctic glaciers just east of Canada are cracking